This is a unit called iFlo, and it drops a liquid into your drain line every so often, and it protects it from getting algae buildup in it, which eventually plugs the line, which can cause a pan overflow or other problems that can damage your ceiling. We're going to go ahead and open it up and look at it and see if we can get it hooked up. Inside the box, the first thing you see is the big canister of the liquid that gets put down the drain pipe. Okay, that canister gets hooked up to this unit right here, and it hooks onto here, and this will hook onto an existing pipe that you have that sticks up, and you can let the fluid drop in. They also give you a saddle, so if you have to drill a hole, you have this device right here. And use this drill bit right here to drill a hole. The unit runs on batteries. Here, this is a mounting plate to mount the unit to the side of the air conditioning unit in the attic. So first thing we're going to have to do is download the app and read the instructions and move on from there. You have this template just to make sure that when you mount your unit right here, that you know the hose is going from here to here and it's long enough. So I'm just going to clean this off right here where my hanger needs to go. Dry this off good. You see now we're going to just mount this unit. We'll go on here like this. So mount this right here, make sure it's level. All I do is peel the tape off the back. Put your unit on. We need to drill the injection hole for the chemical to be injected into the pan. The pan is right up in here, and that's why the drain's located right here. So I have to drill a hole here so the chemical can be injected here and run back into the pan. Now, if you had the Pro model, they would actually drill a hole through here, stick the hose into the pan area, and there's a clip that holds the hose in there. When I first installed this unit, I didn't put the chemical in here. I was putting it in further down the line. But after looking at the Pro model and the way it's set up that it injects into the pan, then I realized that my injection point should be right here. So when the chemical comes in, it actually flows directly into the pan area. So we're going to fix that. We're going to go ahead and re-drill our hole. We have the little guide that helps guide the fluid in there. It's going to point toward the back, toward the unit. We're just going to slip that in there. And again, this clips right on. That little square top piece goes right inside of a recess that's right here. So okay. Okay, what I'm doing is I'm going to piece of tape and cover up this original hole back here. The mistake I made was putting it down here, further down the drain line. Every problem I've ever had with a drain line on an AC unit was downstream of this, and it was in the drain line itself. So that was the other reason I thought it was proper to put it further downstream. But this is the right way. Put it here with the orange float nozzle pointing into the unit, so it injects the fluid into the pan. It's not clear in the instructions, at least it wasn't to me. And one of my viewers pointed that out to me, so thanks for that. I like to make my videos and make sure they're following the instructions to the T. It says 2 tabs in it, so it goes in there and locks down. Once I put that in there, we got blinking lights here. See, my unit here is almost full bottle. I'm getting ready to have to change it out here. I got one more dose, it claims. There's an app on your phone that tells you when to replace it. And it's giving me a warning that I have 1 dose left. Pretty easy to install. Probably it was longer fooling with the app than actually doing the physical install. Hopefully it works good and we won't have any issues.